Hi everyone, in this video you will see how I pre-poo my hair and bring back moisture to it. I have neglected my hair for a very long time and it ended up getting dry. Right now my hair is very dry. There is no moisture in it at all and it can easily break at this moment. So I will be using this fresh aloe vera gel to bring back moisture to my hair. I will take out the gel and blend it. After that, I will strain it out in case of any residue. Once I'm done, I will add some oil to it. I'm using almond oil, castor oil and vitamin E oil. Back to the main reason for this video, I will now go ahead and apply it on my hair for us all to see what magic it will perform on my hair. Using comb when my hair is dry is not an option for me at all. I use my God-given comb, which is my finger, to detangle my hair and also massage it during the process. Using my finger helps me a lot to locate where there is tangled area for me to easily detangle my hair without pulling it out. I always do this whenever my hair is dry. Aloe vera has tons of great benefits to our hair. It helps in hair growth and also prevent hair loss. once I am done, I will leave it on my hair for 15 minutes before washing it out. I'll be ending it here. Thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe before clicking out. Also like and share as well. See you in my next one. Bye bye.